welcome back to another vlog. We are starting this one in the middle of the week, but it's okay. I'm breaking out like crazy, don't know what to do, so please ignore that. Right now I am making lunch. I'm on my lunch break and I'm just making lunch. I am making some of the cilantro chicken wontons, and then I'm gonna make some broccoli, saute some broccoli and mushroom, and that's what I'm gonna have for lunch today. I'm just boiling them. This is pretty much what was left in the pack, so I just went ahead and made them all. And then my one job today, and then from there I'm gonna go to Nordstrom's and look at some pieces for the new Nordstrom sale. So I would take you guys along while I do that, and that's pretty much what I'm gonna do today. I'm catching up on Aaliyah Face's new vlog and just enjoying my lunch break. I have about 20 minutes left. But yeah, I haven't done anything in the last couple of days. I only had to work the one job, so I literally would work and then like sleep or work out. I missed my workout yesterday, so I definitely have to get a workout in today. I think I'm gonna do 3:30 or 4 or whatever, the 12:30, but just like in a version that I can do. And then probably another workout on the TV since I missed yesterday. But that is all I have planned for today. Pay attention to what you are putting into your food. Tell me why. That was Worcestershire sauce. That was not soy sauce. And I'm just to dump in. And then I'm already thinking like, wow, I put too much in there. Worcestershire sauce. Hopefully this is good because I'm making it over. Okay, so let's see. Hopefully this is still good. I guess the Worcestershire sauce isn't too bad. At least on the dumplings. Yeah. So it didn't ruin it. I just literally thought that was soy sauce. But I'm gonna eat and finish watching Aaliyah Face because I have to log back into work in 9 minutes. So I will talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so I'm in my car right now. I know I said I was going to Nordstrom to try on some pieces for the Nordstrom sale, but I was looking at the website and I'm honestly not really seeing anything that I like. Like the stuff that I like I already have, so it's like, see, I'm breaking out really bad and I keep picking because I have a very bad habit. But anyways, I placed the order for Target, but I placed it at 7 and it is now 7:46. It's a 2-hour pickup, so it's not ready yet. However, I did also place an order for Chipotle. My Chipotle was already ready, so I picked up the Chipotle and now I'm sitting in the Chipotle parking lot waiting for my Target order to be done. Hopefully it's soon because I'm starving and I want to eat my Chipotle, but I want to go home and relax and eat my Chipotle. So I did eat the tortilla though, just because I was starving. But yeah, so now I'm just sitting here waiting. Hopefully my order is done soon. I am going to work out. I'm going to eat my Chipotle. And then I'm going to work out, which is probably a really bad idea. I should probably work out then eat my Chipotle, but I'm hungry, so I'm going to do it first. So yeah, I think I'm just going to do a Glow with Joe workout. She has a new kickbox workout program. I think I'm going to do that. I know I said I was going to do the 3:30 and another workout, but I want to just knock it out at once. So I'm going to do the kickbox. I'm going to do the kickbox workout because that's like 45 minutes. So just like kill it with one stone. And then tomorrow I have to work all day. I have to work my first job and then I have to go to the restaurant and work until 11, or hopefully they'll cut me. And then, yeah, Friday I just have to work my first job. And then I'm off. But I do work Saturday morning at the restaurant. And then I'm off for the rest of the weekend because on Sunday, I'm going to my friend's show. My friend Frank, he's a musician here in Cleveland. And he has a show on Sunday, so I'm going to that. But yeah, I don't have anything planned for the weekend. I never have anything planned for the weekend because I don't do anything besides work. So yeah, if I do something, I definitely will show you guys. I'm definitely gonna take you guys to the show on Sunday. And I'm sure I'll probably run some errands or something over the weekend that I'll take you guys to. But yeah, I'm just sitting in my car waiting for my stuff. I just ordered like some snack food to have in the house for the weekend because my boyfriend is gone. He's in Vegas for a bachelor weekend, and I'm gonna be home by myself and I don't feel like cooking, so I just got like some snack foods. So I got like lunch meat and bread. I'm gonna make taco salads tomorrow, and hopefully that will last me all weekend so I don't have to cook again. And yeah, and I got like some, I don't know, like some fruit or something, just like a couple of snacks. But I didn't feel like going into the store, so that's why I did the Target order. But I should have did the Target order earlier in the day. Like, I knew that I wanted to get some stuff from Target. I should have did it when I first thought of it. I am getting ready to relaunch my store. I'm actually wearing a couple of the new pieces now. So here's one of the earrings and the new necklace. All 18 karat gold plated again. I'm just think that's going to be like my thing. It's just 18 karat gold plated. It's just better quality and lasts longer, and I'll feel better about people spending their money on that type of stuff. So that should be launching, what is this, August? July, probably beginning of August. So make sure you guys are following Shop PS Lux on Instagram. You and Libri. That's where I post everything out on those two's Instagrams. I'm also like trying to plan to go to Houston. My friend Brittany is turning 30 and she's going to Houston for her birthday, and I really want to go. Like, I always miss her and my other friend's birthday. Like, it's just always a bad timing for me. So I'm really trying to go. Just got my dress in the mail for the wedding. Super cute. However, it is a little too small. I had to go down a size because they did not have my size in the dress. So I went down a size because I knew the dress was stretchy, but like, I still got to lose like 10 pounds. That's why I'm really like trying to stick to working out and like doing better. Oh, my order for Target is ready. So I'm going to go pick that up and then go home, and I'll Good morning, guys. So I am sitting at my desk because it is work day for me. Well, it's Monday, so I'm working. I just made a fruit shake. I put a little bit of protein powder in there, a little peanut butter because I'm out of like orange juice or yogurt or anything. So I need to actually get a new protein. I'm just using the rest of my Herbalife protein that I have. But I want to find another protein. I really like the Herbalife. I just, I'm not working with the girl that I used to work with. So the only other person I know is also on her team, and I just kind of feel like it's weird to just like, I stopped working with her, but can I work with you? I don't know. But yeah, so I'm just working. I'm listening to a podcast. I'm listening to Full of Joy from Francesca here on YouTube. I'm listening to her podcast. And I'm just gonna do some work, drink my shake, and then I'll come and talk to you guys on my break.
But you can't be
Hey guys, so it is now after 5. It's actually 5:17, and I'm on my way to Aldi's. Either Aldi's or Trader Joe's. I guess I'll decide when I get in the car. But I just gotta pick up a couple things for dinner today. We're gonna have a chicken wrap, like a chicken bacon wrap, but I guess last time we had avocado in it, so I don't have any avocado, so I have to get that. And then, let's see. Car is this way. So I have to get avocado. I also wanted some roasted green beans, so I gotta get green beans. And I gotta get the tortillas. I'm actually gonna eat mine in a lettuce wrap, but then I'm still gonna get tortillas. So yeah, I'm not sure if I want to go to Aldi's or Trader Joe's. Like, I kind of want to go to Trader Joe's, but I feel like Aldi's would be cheaper. And I'm only getting a couple things. So, yeah, I'm literally only getting like 4 things. So I probably should just go to Aldi's because it's closer. Okay, there's a quarter in the car, so I'm just gonna go to Aldi's because it's closer. So I will talk to you guys when I get to Aldi's. Okay guys, so as we know, I'm a very horrible blogger. I did not record in the store, but I did get everything I needed. However, when I got home, couldn't make the sandwiches because the avocados I got was not ripe. So we ended up just having pasta. It's a Tuscan pasta dish that we've been having a lot recently. It's really good, but I gotta stop eating it. So yeah, we made that. I did make the potatoes and green beans. I'll just have them tomorrow. Hopefully the avocado will be ripe so we can have the chicken wraps. But yeah, and then I did some yoga, and then I worked out. I just did 3-3-30, which is 12-3-30, but just not on the 12 incline. I actually did like 4-3-30, and then I showered, and now I am in bed all before 10:30. It's exactly 10:31. So I think I'm gonna watch an episode of Sex and the City and then just go to sleep. The plan is to wake up early. I'm really hoping I can wake up at 7. I say this all the time, I never do it, but I really would like to wake up at 7. Do 3-3-30. And be ready for work at 8. So we'll just see what happens. I think tomorrow I want to film like a quick little day in my life TikTok reel thing. I think probably an Instagram video. And then yeah, that's all I really have planned for tomorrow. So yeah. But like I said, I'm gonna watch an episode of Sex and the City, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.